The historic town of Mostar, spanning a deep valley of the Neversee River, developed in the 15th and 16th centuries as an Ottoman frontier and during the Austro-Hungarian period in the 19th and 20th centuries. Mostar has long been known for its old Turkish houses and old bridge, Stari Most, after which it is named. In the 1990s conflict, however, most of the historic town and the old bridge, designed by renowned architect Sinan, was destroyed. The old bridge was recently rebuilt, and many of the edifices in the old town have been restored or rebuilt with the contribution of its international scientific community established by UNESCO. The Old Bridge area, with its pre-Ottoman, Eastern Ottoman, Mediterranean, and Western European architectural features, is an outstanding example of a multicultural urban settlement. The reconstruction Old Bridge and Old City of Mostar is a symbol of reconciliation, international cooperation, and of the coexistence of diverse cultural, ethnic, and religious communities.